What up everyone, it's your guy Sony back in another episode, and in today's video, I'm going to be making Scorpion Spear from Mortal Kombat out of cardboard, paper, and paper clips. Let's get this video started. Yeah!
Alright, so this is the template I'll be using. I'll add a link in the description, so in case you guys want to recreate this video, then you can use the same image that I use. I'll just add a link of it in the description. So, and for your information, this piece of paper with the picture of it wasn't drawn by me. It's a template. It's a picture of it which I found online, which I'll be using as a template. So yeah, just thought I'd let you know. Alright, now you'll need a few more templates to stick on the cardboard. So yeah, you'll need about 8 pieces of the same templates to stick on the cardboard. Now I actually had to remove a few of those end parts with where the chain goes, because I realized that with all the pieces I have that I'll be using for this, the keychain part was just too big and it wouldn't fit. The keyring wouldn't fit, so I had to cut off the ends on a few pieces. So yeah. so this is what it looks like now. I actually had to remove at least 3 pieces because it was too thick. And the smoothing out with that wooden pole didn't work, so I had to wrap it with some tape. But it looks good.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna go spray paint the kunai.
But always, safety first.
That's right, so here's a safety tip. So whenever you're spray painting, you need to always wear gloves. And also wear a mask. Alright, let's do this. It's always the best idea to wear a mask.
Alright guys, now that the kunai itself is completed, it's built and spray painted, let's add this keyring inside so that we can build the chain now. Come on, let's just add this in. Come on! It's so hard. Come on, hurry up. Oh, there we go. Now I got it in. Almost there. There we go. Woo, finally. Alright, it swings perfectly. Now, on to making the chain.
Today we're going to be using Paperclips to make this chain. So, we're going to be using these metal Paperclips to make the chain. So, we'll be making this normally with black and white. And we'll need about 50 to 100 Paperclips for this chain. Yeah, this might take a while. Alright, now that the chain is complete, let's add this into the kunai. Alright guys, so it's time to use this thing, see if it would make an actual good weapon. So first is the swing test. So let's do this. This is really awesome. Haha, look at that. Alright, so now let's try the fling test. So you know when you like do that on the chain and it just retracts so well, like it makes a wavy movement. So yeah, like let's try it on this tree. Let's just wrap it around like so. Alright. Not sure if you can see, but I'll show you anyway. So here goes nothing. Oh, look at that. That was awesome. Alright, that's enough. So, yeah, now it's time for the best move ever. The Scorpion's iconic get over here move. Come on. Alright guys, so Let's do this for the last time. Now, get I'm just swinging haphazardly, but yeah, it goes really far. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash that like button, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow for more epic videos like this one. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of this arts and crafts video today, but let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Now, get over here!